What if your blessings are waiting and you are the one not showing up? Because that's exactly what day 28 of our Hanuman Chalisa journey is about. The truth that desire don't work unless you do. Before we begin, consider follow, subscribe, and comment Jai Hanuman to stay connected. और मनोरथ जो कोई लावे सोहे अमित जीवन फल पावे, which means whoever brings their heartfelt wishes to Hanuman receives limitless fulfillment. But only when their wish is carried with sincerity, devotion, and action. This verse isn't promising magic, it's promising momentum. It tells us your prayers open the doors, but your steps take you through it. Tulsidas writes this verse after witnessing something profound. People who approached Hanuman with sincerity didn't just receive blessings, they received courage to act on those blessings. Hanuman never rewarded laziness, he rewarded alignment. Now think about it. When the Vanaras were lost, Hanuman didn't just pray for Sita to be found, he leapt across the ocean. When the mountain was confusing, he didn't give up, he lifted the whole thing. When the odds were impossible, he didn't sit and chant, he moved with devotion. That's why Tulsidas says, Manoratha lave, not Manoratha mange, not ask, but bring. Bring your wish, bring your effort, bring your heart, because wishes don't work until you do. Let me tell you about someone who lived this verse better than most saints. Kalpana Saroj, born in 1961 in a small village in Maharashtra, Dalit family, extreme poverty, child marriage at 12, abuse, humiliation, a life destined for darkness. One day, after unbreakable suffering, she almost gave up completely. But something inside her, the tiniest spark, refused to die. She later said, I had one wish to build a life that proved I deserved to live. That was her Manorath. And she didn't wait for blessing. She showed up for her own life. She left the toxic marriage, worked in a garment factory, saved every rupee, started a tailoring shop, then a furniture shop, then real estate. Step by step, she rebuilt herself. Years later, Kamini Tubes collapsed, drowning in debts. Banks refused. Businessmen walked away. But Kalpana Saroj walked in, applied to revive it, negotiated, raised funds, restarted operation against all odds, and she became the chairperson of the company, turning it profitable again. Today, she is known as the original Slumdog Millionaire, Padma Shri awardee, a global symbol of resilience. And she always says, God help me because I refuse to stop helping myself. That is day 28. That is Manorath. That is Hanuman energy. Faith plus fire. Because he knew people often pray without preparing. They want blessings without building. They want miracles without movement. Tulsidas reminds us Hanuman blesses wishes that walk towards their destiny, not wishes that sit and wait. Your dream grows when you grow. Your prayer moves when you move. So let me ask you, what blessing are you waiting for that is actually waiting for you? What dream is sitting at your doorstep because you haven't taken that one step? And what would happen if you showed up today with the courage Hanuman had when he leapt across the ocean? because the universe doesn't reward wishes, it rewards willingness. Now say it softly with me. और मनोरथ जो कोई लावे, सो ही अमित जीवन फल पावे. Let it remind us our wish becomes divine when we become devoted to it. Tomorrow, day 29, we explore a verse that teaches how Hanuman clears the path when your own mind becomes the obstacle. One verse a day, one quality to awaken, one step closer to your destiny. Jai Hanuman.